Hey there, YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing this 26 terabyte Seagate expansion hard disk drive. It's an HAMR drive, which is a CMR type drive. Just uses lasers to heat up the area it's writing to. The box itself isn't very interesting. It says the model number is STKP26000400. Date of manufacturer is August 2025. And its regulatory model is SRD0NF2. So, without further ado, let's open her up. We have a quick start guide, the hard drive itself, whoa, what a weird feeling case. This definitely doesn't have the bulk, like the feel of other Seagate drives. I have Backup Plus and a WD, another expansion actually, and they feel really good in the hands. This feels like it was 3D printed. That's, oh well, it's not why you buy a hard drive. The label here also says model SRD0NF2. Oh, that's weird. The drive actually looks crooked in there. I don't think it broke in there. I think it's just literally crooked. Interesting. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be shucking this drive, so I won't be able to see what's in it really, but warning, use only with correct input plug. Holy crap. I guess they got tired of selling to all the different regions and having returns because it was the wrong plug. I've seen that a lot actually. They even have an American plug that has holes and no holes. Then also inside the box we have a micro USB. I really wish they'd have USB-C on these, but I think one of the benefits to these is that you can plug in a micro USB and it'll run at a slower speed, so it's like a little backwards compatibility there. But that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching.